For the right vehicle, check out the 2016 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.